Welcome aboard the 39 GREENLINE Hybrid. We have a lot to talk about today, so let's check it out. Before sustainability was fashionable, in 2008, GREENLINE pioneered hybrid technology in boating. So what is a hybrid yacht all about? We have an E-unit allowing us to run the boat from lithium batteries out through the shafts. And in front of that, we have a Volvo Penta diesel engine. So when the diesel engine is running, the E-unit can generate and recharge the battery. Then the boat transitions to E-mode where you can run silently and efficiently. With all E-boats, you have to learn how to run them. So the most efficient way to run this boat is to keep the batteries between 25% and 75% of use, because you can recharge it in only 15 minutes. If you go up all the way to 90% usage, it may take up to 2 hours to actually recharge the batteries. So we have 4 solar panels overhead, which allows us to harvest energy from the sun. So you can get up to 20 nautical miles on the batteries alone, silently. Enough tech talk, let's go see the boat. These beautiful yachts are built in the center of Europe in Slovenia, and it has a 39.5 length overall, and it has 11'4" beam. The best part of any boat to relax is right in the aft end. Here we have an electric winch actuated tailgate. It flips up, beautiful teak accents all around, and of course, luxurious seating. So we have our boarding door with our asymmetrical design, a way to get up to the bow. So you can get all the sun you want up here in the bow. And we have a mini bimini to catch some shade. So when you're at the helm, if you need a little bit of fresh air, you just pop the sunroof. Then we have our 4 solar panels just behind. So we have true indoor-outdoor living here on one level. We have a full-size refrigerator, a cooktop, of course a sink, and a little wet bar right here. The wood accents in here are absolutely stunning in this dinette, which of course converts. We have a TV and great lighting overhead. Come up here and take the wheel at the helm. We have twin Simrad displays. We also have a bow and stern thruster, and we also have our throttle for the engines. We have a very generous master V-berth forward with great storage and great light. We also have a twin guest cabin, and of course we have a shared head with a separate shower. GREENLINE has been in this game a very long time. The proof is in the pudding, right aboard this 39 Hybrid.